6 minus 1 is equal to 5, and inside the parenthesis 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Instead of the parenthesis we can write 5 into 5. So 5 into 5 is equal to 25, but it is totally wrong because we didn't follow the order of operations. BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. According to the PEMDAS rule, we have to do first the parenthesis. In this expression, we will do first the parenthesis. So 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. If you eliminate the parenthesis, we can write 1 into 5 instead of the parenthesis. Then in this expression, we should do first the multiplication. Then 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. It is the answer. Please subscribe.